What's up, everybody? Matt here, the Appalachian Moto. Today's a good day. Today, we're gonna be opening up a present. Open up a present from Amazon. So, I live in the mountains. I live in a mountainous area. And I was taking it up even higher elevation yesterday. I did notice, though, whenever I got to going up an incline, that I had to go down to fourth gear. And I have got the, 1745 teeth on it that I've switched around. But I noticed when I was going up the hill that I was only topping 40 miles an hour. I wasn't pushing any faster. And I felt like that was all she had. So I don't know if that's all she's got or if I'm going to have to rejet her. I did rejet it this morning. I went back down to a 110. We're going to see how that does for a little bit. Hello, kitty. That's the bear kitty. Don't let him fool you. He takes down bears and stuff. He does. I swear he does. Anyways, moving on. Let's open this sucker up and see what we got. All right, what do we got in here? There she is, boys. There she is in all its glory. The high flow air filter. Yes, sir. Made in China. 48 millimeter. That's the part number, I guess. Okay. Also, I got a heavy duty inner tube. If you haven't already, you need to pick up one of these. It's a 110, 100, 18. Now, the other day, literally 3 weeks putting around on the back roads, I had a nail in my tire. And when I went and pulled this tube out, it was the dinkiest little tube I've ever seen. Looked like something from a bicycle. Also, the band that went around the rim looked like it was from a bicycle. It was all tore up too. So yeah, that's the inner tube I got. I'll put the link in the description for it. Also, I'll put the link in the description for the nibby here. High flow air filter. I'll make sure that's in there for you guys. This thing, I'm thinking after shipping was like 30 bucks, but I think the tube itself was like 20, 25 bucks, something like that. It's heavy. It's a lot heavier than the tube that I got replaced and put in there. So we'll check it out eventually, see how it does. But yeah, all right, let's move on. Let's see what else we got. There's like a few things in here. So I ordered a few things other than the tube and the air filter. These came a few days later. And so got the old foam mount. That way I can kind of track my speed and stuff. My little GPS. Since my odometer's crap right now until I get to replace it with the digital one. This one looks like it'll be pretty good. Let's see. We've got the LED. I'm going to see if this works. Plug this in here shortly and see. High brightness, longer lifespan, plug and play. So, says it should. Looks like it will. I think this thing, it was around 15 bucks maybe. Not bad. I'll put a link in the description for both the foam mount and this. But I do know this is going to make our life much better. Much, 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 much better. I'm telling you, I couldn't see with the little basic crap light that comes with it. The cutoff was so bad on it. And it didn't shine but maybe like 3 to 4 foot in front of you. Oh, good Lord. But this foam mount might be pretty cool. I guess it comes with all the colors maybe. Yeah, 6 colors. Yeah. That's awesome. All right, well, that's all the cool things that's came in. So we've got the filter. We'll be putting that in here very, very, very soon. All right, well, let's go ahead and put in our light bulb. Open this bad boy up. Like I said, I will put a link in the descriptions of all these items so you can get them yourself, unless you want to look for something else. But also, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell notification so you'll know whenever I post a new video pertaining to the Hawk. We may end up here soon picking up another bike. It all really just depends. I just like tinkering with things. All right, we're gonna see if this thing will work. We're gonna leave it in here for right now. All right, anyways, you will need a 8mm for this one. If you put it together already, you do know that the bolt's right there. If you've had it put together for you, that's where your bolts are. They're right down in there. Now, put that in there. Loosen that up. All right, that side's loose. Uh-oh. Looks like we broke our headlight mount right here at one point in time. That is no good. No good at all. Dang. We'll come over to this side. Loosen this one. Oh wow, this one has broke too. Holy snaps. So, maybe I've either tightened it too tight or it's doo-doo. One of the two. I'm thinking I tightened it too tight. Alright. Oh yes. They're about snapped into. Dang, boys. This isn't good. This isn't good at all. I'm going to, I should still have a warranty on this thing. I'm gonna see if I can't file something with a warranty on it. But until then, I'm gonna take this out. So, you wanna pull this rubber backing off of here. And you can twist that off and your headlight will come out. Now, there she is, boys. That sucks that broke that easy. I guess that's my fault, because I'm pretty sure I did tighten the living shit out of them. All right. So what are we looking like? Do we look like we'll fit? Maybe. I think she will. Let's give her a go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This appears to be not going. Yeah, it sits on the bottom side of things on the out. Ugh. That is not good. I think if we take our box cutter right here and we shave out just a tad bit of the inside, we might be able to get it in there. So we'll see here in just a minute. Okay, so we got her locked in. Plug her up. You probably can't see that. Let's test her out. She's working. Okay, let's put her little rubber boot back on. All right, our boot's on. I think we're good to go to place her back. I don't, ripping out wires over here. I'm gonna have to go back and redo these wires actually. Here very, very, very soon. I knew that one was gonna rip off in a matter of time. Put that one together. Okay, so we're good on that. Just throw that in the floor until I'm ready to throw it away. Dang, boys. It's just good and cracked, good and cracked. Get that left side in, right side's in. Now, let's push her back. Where's our socket? She's in my pocket. Yeah. All right. Heck yeah. Excuse my wood pile. We have relocated to my basement where I haven't cleaned out yet. That's a pretty good little light, I say. All right. Heck yeah. All right, y'all. Well, if you enjoyed that, like I said, be sure to hit that subscribe, thumbs up, comment. Be sure to hit that bell notification so, you know, you'll at least hear about it whenever I post something new. But until next time, y'all be safe out there and have fun riding.